Enjoy unparalleled culinary freedom and performance with Thermador Freedom Induction Cooktops. Available in 30 and 36-inch footprints, the innovative Freedom Induction Cooktop is designed to move with you. With the largest usable cooking surface on the market, the 36-inch model turns the entire cooktop into your canvas, allowing you to heat up to 6 pots at once, anywhere. Freedom MyZone automatically detects cookware and transfers programmed settings with it when moved for the ultimate flexibility and control. Know exactly which pots are hot thanks to a unique visual indicator that glows when cookware is heated or moved. Enhanced full-color touchscreen features clear, vibrant displays and fast access to cooking modes. Complement your induction cooktop with matching ventilation for a sleek look and connected experience. Wi-Fi-enabled Freedom Cooktop Hood Sync seamlessly synchronizes tasks like lighting and ventilation. The Freedom TeppanyakiPro delivers even more precision with the ability to divide your pan into 2 distinct areas, heated and non-heated. With power delivered to one side only, you can quickly move ingredients on and off the heat to perfect your dish. Bring your most ambitious culinary visions to life with the innovation, precision, and flexibility of a Thermador Freedom Induction Cooktop.